Why does your scanner show the P06DC engine code? What does it mean? P06DC is a diagnostic trouble code for engine oil pressure control circuit high. This engine code indicates that this means the car's computer is detecting a malfunction related to the oil pressure control system, potentially affecting how the engine regulates oil flow. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty oil pressure sensor, oil pump problems, wiring issues, low oil level, clogged oil passages. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Cadillac ATS, Chevrolet Malibu, and GMC Canyon models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.